Hi, this is Guy Lowe with Electro-Voice, and today we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your EVERSE 8. EVERSE 8 comes pre-installed with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack. If you need to remove and reinstall the battery for inspection or replacement, place the loudspeaker face down on a flat, non-scratching surface with the battery pack facing you. Fully loosen the two finger tab screws by turning them counterclockwise. Gently but firmly pull on the battery pack by the finger pull located on the back of the battery door. To reinstall the battery pack, follow the previous steps in reverse.